Hello there, welcome to our channel Long Tips. Again, hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to redeem your Delta gift cards on the Delta website itself. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Now, to redeem the gift codes on the Delta website itself, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in delta.com like this and hit enter. And after that you will be on this page, which is the home page of Delta. Now, to redeem your gift cards over here, you can see the book option available over here. Click over there once more like this, and this kind of panel will appear where you can see the use certificates, e-credits or the Delta gift cards over here. Click over there, and after that you'll be redirected to this page where scroll down and you can see the Delta gift cards panel over here. Enter your gift card number over here, and after that enter your pin or a redemption code over here and click on lookup, and after that click on continue. Then after that you'll be required to log into your account, and after logging in you'll be able to redeem your gift cards on Delta. And there, guys, this is how you redeem your gift card on your Delta account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.